Can you find the height of this man? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. And if you are unable, then stick till the end of the video and you will be able to do this in a very effective way. So hello guys, welcome to Mr. Pi, and today we are trying to solve this question in which we have two poles of 4 and 6 meters respectively, and there's a man sitting in between them. So let's begin. First of all, let's name the points. This A, B, C, D, E and F. Let's join points C and D. So now we can know that triangle CDF and triangle ABF are similar. Triangle CDF is similar to triangle ABF. So if they are similar, then we know that by using concept of similarity we can write it as CD upon AB is equal to DF upon BF, that is BF. So CD right here is equal to, let's assume it as X, so X upon AB, AB equals to 4 equals to DF, DF is not given, and BF can be written as BD plus DF. Again, now moving from this side, triangle BCD is similar to triangle FEB. So again, X upon FE is equal to BD upon BD plus DF. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. In these two equation we get FE right here is equal to 6. So x by 4 plus x by 6, x by 4 plus x by 6 is equal to DF BD. If we add these two, then we get DF plus BD upon DF plus BD, which is a value of 1 because they cancel out each other. So we have to write this 1. So if we take LCM, then we'll get the LCM of 4 and 6 to be 12. So 3x plus 2x upon 12 is equal to 1. So 5x is equal to 12. Therefore x equals to 12 upon 5 is the required height of this man. Hence this was a video. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries below, then do comment down. Thank you.